Hi, lovely friends. Welcome back to Neil Melon. Look at these amazing farm sets we have today. We have lots of cute farm animals, their feeding bowl, and we are going to learn their names, what sound they make, and what they love to eat. Are you ready to visit the farm with me? Let's go. Let's meet everyone one by one. Here, this is a cow. She says moo, moo. She gives us fresh milk and she wags her tail. This is a goat. He says ba, ba. He has lovely horns. This is a goose. She says, honk, honk. Look at her long neck. This is a rooster. He says, cock-a-doodle-doo. He wakes everyone up in the morning. The rooster can also say, cock-a-doodle-doo. This is a duck. She says, quack, quack, quack. She loves splashing water. This is a horse. He says, neigh, neigh. He runs fast across the fields. And this is a sheep. She says, ba, ba. She gives us soft wool. This is a hen. She says, cluck, cluck. She lays tasty eggs. And this is a pig. He says, oink, oink. He loves rolling in the mud. Wow, so many friends. Can you say their names and make their sounds with me? Let's pretend to fill the bowl with their favorite food.